Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start on the iPhone, open Settings and tap Personal Hotspot, then Enable Allow Others to join. You do this now so the Android can see a Wi-Fi network. Make note of the hotspot name and password shown on screen. Keep cellular data active and the iPhone unlocked while pairing because the hotspot can sleep otherwise. Once done, glance at battery level and data limits so you don't unexpectedly run out of data mid-transfer. On the Android phone, open Wi-Fi settings and scan for available networks. Your iPhone SSID should appear as a hotspot. Tap the iPhone network, enter the password exactly as shown on the iPhone, then choose Connect. If the iPhone network is not listed, use Add Network, type the SSID and select WPA2 as the security type, then paste the password. This forces a manual join. Make sure Android Wi-Fi. After connecting, confirm the Android shows internet access by opening a web page or checking Wi-Fi details for an IP address. If pages don't load, first toggle the iPhone hotspot off and on, or disable and re-enable Android Wi-Fi. Often a simple restart clears handshake issues. Make sure the hotspot password was entered correctly and verify your carrier allows tethering. Some plans restrict it. If problems persist, restart both phones and retry. That usually resolves lingering configuration or IP assignment conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.